Hi guys, on the previous bump stop and shock absorber video you'll have noticed that I found a lot of rust underneath the wheel arch, and that's what I'm going to address today. So this is a continuation of the underbody restoration project. But before I start on this, I just want to show you something that I noticed the other day on one of my wheels, or tyres to be more precise. This lump here appeared, and these are nearly new tyres. You can see, if you look down this edge, you can see it's all ballooned out, so that's no good. There you go, pretty bad that. I don't want to go on motorway with that. I could have easily missed that, so I got myself a new tyre and I'll be getting that fitted. I've actually got two tyres, so it's best to change them out in pairs. Anyway, back to it. I'm going to jack up the car, take the wheel off and use my Auntie Mildred's rug to kneel on while I'm doing it. You know, I don't think she'd even notice I've borrowed it, but I bet she would if I put it back as it is. Don't forget to put an axle stand underneath the car to support it. And I like to put the wheel underneath the car just for a bit of extra security as well. So I'm going to take the wheel arch liner out, and as I had it out before, I don't need to put any penetrating fluid on the screws. They'll come out quite easily. So just take all those out. Right, and then yank out the wheel arch liner, put that on one side, and let's have a look. As you can see, there's quite extensive rust patches. All the underseal is perforated, letting water in, and then it starts the process of rusting. And the worrying bit is this back bit. Looks pretty bad. It's even got some salts there, that white stuff. Road salt, I guess, which is the worst thing, you know, at winter. They put rock salt on the roads and then it gets trapped up in the wheel arch and causes them to rust. So hopefully I can save that. So I need to just get me drill and my wire brush. I've got an improved version of a wire brush which is a bit more stiff as opposed to the original one, which is a bit more gentle, depending on what you're doing really. But I'm going to use this coarse one to do most of it. It's a lot thicker wire and sort of spiral bound. I found that these are quite effective. So here goes. Just got to be careful of the plastic fuel filler. And now for the bad bit at the rear. Right, that's that done. As you can see, there's a big hole. And then this bit at the bottom is a bit weak, so I need to do something with that. I should cut the whole piece out, really. But that's a lot more time consuming, and a simple patch will be good enough for me. And at least it'll keep me on the road. So I found a bit of metal, and I've marked it out, the approximate size that I need. I just need to cut it out now. I'm going to use my little electric nibbler that attaches to a drill. Here's the bit that I need. A bit rough and ready, but at least it's got one straight edge. So I'll attach it and weld it onto the car. And here's the finished patch welded in. Seam welded all the way around. So I'm just going to clean it up now. Now I'm going to apply some rust converter. Genolite rust converter. I think I need a bigger brush. Yep, that's better. Do this in no time. Especially if I fast forward it. Right, I need to let that dry. So I think I'll go and have a cup of tea. Right, that's gone all nice and purple and dry, so now we'll do the first coat of this red oxide paint. And again, let that dry. So I think I'll sweep up this time. Clean the driveway, all this rubbish, all this rust basically that I've ground off my car. Don't want to get any more punctures. Right, I waited quite a bit of time. It's still not 100% dry, but I'm going to put this next coat on. I think it'll be alright. So I'm going to put some hammerite on it now. And then that can dry overnight, as it's getting a bit late now. Morning. Now it's all nicely dry, I'm going to use this seam sealer. I'm just going to put it on the lower part of the paintwork, where any likely moisture is going to get in, road dirt, etc., to protect the structural integrity of it all. Certainly stop any stones getting up and penetrating the surface. It's not going to stop the rust at all. And there we have it, nicely done, in my opinion. So I'll bung the wheel arch liner back, put all the screws in. Stick the wheel back on and we're done. Hope you enjoyed that little video, guys. If you did, give us a thumbs up, really helps out with the channel and keeps me going putting videos out. Press the subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll see you on the next video. And as always, thank you for watching.